What's up, friends? Thank you so much for your comment. So, dahil nasa mood ako, sasagot ako ng mga TikTok comments sa aking comment section. Pero this is one of those, I would suggest, huwag kang mag-cash advance hanggat maaari. If you have money or cash sa iyong savings, checking account, kung pwede mag-withdraw sa checking account, doon ka na lang mag-withdraw ng pera. Kasi kapag ginamit mo ang credit card mo to withdraw some cash, it will accumulate another interest. Kumbaga may patong kang babayaran bukod sa cash na winidraw mo. Again, I would like to emphasize that the credit limit is not our money. It is only an amount lended by the bank kung saan kayo customer for you to borrow just in case you want to make your transaction pass through your credit card para maka-earn kayo ng points. Pero otherwise, just to be specific, answering your question, pag mag-withdraw ka, wala kasing usually PIN na ibinibigay ang bangko once you receive your physical card. So, i-request mo pa yung PIN mo sa bangko. Ngayon, kaya siguro, I haven't really tried cash advance, pero kaya siguro greater. Correct me if I'm wrong, kung sino man ang nakatry na ng cash advance dyan. Kaya siguro greater than the amount, yung nakikita mo, may interest ng patong yun. It might be greater sa amount na wini-withdraw mo. Kaya, ayun, I hope this helps, but let me know kung nagawa mo na kasi late ko na sinagot to.